said that I can also paint on my computer. Is it true?
Yes, Rini. You can paint on the computer using the Paint program.
The Paint program? I do not know how to use this program. Can you teach me, Play Girl?
Sure, Rini. Come here and I will show you. With the Paint program, you can draw pictures of different shapes, sizes and width. You can also write text in your drawing.
Show me how to open this program.
Okay, first click on the Start button. Then click on All Programs. And then click on Accessories. You will see the Paint program here. Click on it and the Paint program will appear on the screen. Look, these are the tools to draw. You can click on any of the tools and use it to draw. These are the different shapes you can use. You can select the color of your choice from here to paint. This strip is called the paint ribbon. You can use this to blend your own color.